guys, I'm Megima and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my 3 essential things which I got from Amazon. And if you all want to know what 3 things I got, then keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So to tell you guys, I got one product yesterday and I got 2 products today, and I opened them right now, just before I started this video. Okay, so I have like 2 packets here. Okay, let me show you. I have 2 packets from Amazon, and let me open this one. So this is a small one, so let me open this thing. So the first thing I got is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 Plus with Helioplex Broad Spectrum UVA UVB PA+++ Ultra Light Clean Feel Water Resistant Dermatologist tested sunscreen, and I have been wanted to try this sunscreen from a long time now, because every YouTuber is raving about this product and loving this product. So I got it from Amazon. Okay, and the actual price of this actual price of this sunscreen is 250 for 30 ml, but I got it for like a very affordable price. So let me tell you, I got this for 179 rupees with free delivery. So it's the best deal which I got. So I got like, I don't know how much, 50, yeah, I got like 60 to 70 rupees off kind of. So that is why I bought this to try out. As you all can see, I haven't opened it yet, but I will try to share like a review, a mini review, when I am using this sunscreen. I got a 30 ml because it is very expensive, you guys. It's very expensive. If you get like a big tube of this thing, I think it will cost you like 500 or 550 rupees. So I didn't want it to like spend so much of money, so I got a smaller tube instead. And the next product, let me tell you, the second product I have here is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin, hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. So this is the tube which I got, the tub which I got, and I got the bigger tub. Okay, I didn't want to get like a smaller tub, because I am I don't have like more moisturizers. So I have my Himalayas moisturizer and my Mamaearth's moisturizer. Okay, other than that I don't have any other moisturizer. So that is why I got this one, because I am using moisturizers on my daily basis. So I use moisturizer in the morning and even in the night sometimes. So that is why I got this one, because again every YouTuber is raving about this product right now, and it is very useful for summers because it's in a gel formula. And I got this product today, and look, it is still packed. So I will again share a review when I am using this product. I know this many people have given their reviews, but each and every people's review are different. So that is why. And let me tell you guys, I again got this for like a cheaper price. So the price of this tub is 299 rupees for 147 gram. Okay, and I got this for 209 with free delivery, you guys. So I got the 147 gram for 209. So I got 90 rupees off again. So that is why I got this. So I got this on off. That is why I bought these 2 products. And the third product is also good for summers and your daily daily life or daily skincare or whatever. But all of these products are to be used on everyday basis, not only in summers, okay, but in every season and every day skincare, for everyday skincare basis. So the third product I have here is in this. So I got this pack of 2 Khadi Herbals Pure Rose Water. Again it was on offer, so I got. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you only one bottle, okay, because this one is not coming out. So this is the Khadi Herbal Pure Rose Water, and I don't know why the camera is not picking up the focus. Yeah. So this is 210 ml, and this cost you for rupees 150 each, okay. So this bottle is 210 ml and the price of this is 150 rupees. So I got it for, let me tell you. Okay, so I got both of these bottles. Both of them are 210 ml each. So it will be 420 ml with the price range of 300. So I got both of this pure rose water for 179 with again free shipping on Amazon. So it's a good steal deal because you get 2 bottles of pure rose water, and Khadi Herbals is like a known brand, natural known brand. So I just love rose water. I like to mix rose water and sheet mask serum and then mix it and apply it on my face. So that is why I got this too. I used to use the Dabur Gulabari one, but it got over yesterday, okay. So it got over yesterday and I got this today. So I am going to use it and I will definitely share a review again when I use this water. And I am really very happy because I got this on offer. So I got 420 ml for 179 rupees with free delivery. So again I got off for 110 bucks, I think so. I think 120 if I am not wrong. Yeah, so I got it on 120 rupees off. So these were my 3 products which you can use not only during the summertime but even on your everyday life. Yeah, with this thing I end my video here, you guys, and please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and press on the bell icon and make it as all if you so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And follow me on my Instagram, follow the Seva Style Store, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.